What's going on? So yet again, progress has been made. I think I'm actually probably pretty close to being done. I'm waiting on a couple other little pieces of hardware and, you know, a little bit of tweaking and fine tuning, but generally good to go. So here's how I have it set up. Once again, excuse the mess and the, we're moving. So I have one antenna, okay? It is plugged into my normal router, my home router. That's going to be replaced with another Ubiquiti thing. It's a little secure gateway. I'll put a picture of it over here. But it's going to replace this. This isn't going to be used in this new setup at all. But it goes from the modem, which is right there. If you can see it, the green lights, into that, into this. And that is beaming internet over here to this antenna. And this is like one network. This SSID on these two is UBNT. So they're connected. That's the access point. This is the station, quote unquote. So that's receiving internet from over there, just like it'll be at my buddy's house. That one's going to be at my buddy's house over there. And this one's going to be at the relay. This is going to be like relay antenna 1. This feeds into that switch. That switch has the cloud key and all that in it, so I can manage it with my laptop. But that all is going to be connected to another switch, which is what this blue cable here is. So we have internet coming from over there, getting beamed to this one, which goes into the switch, out the switch, into that antenna, holy exposure, Batman, into that antenna over there, that antenna, and that antenna, the one right here on the dog bed. Those two are going to be at the relay point. Those are going to be the relay antennas, okay? Those two. So the internet comes from over there, goes to this one, into the switch. The switch goes over to that antenna over there, which is also plugged into the switch. And then from that one, it's going to get beamed to the antenna at my house, my new house, which is right here. And as you can see, well, it decided to lose Wi-Fi. The way that these connect to each other is via Wi-Fi, and if you don't use it for a bit, they disconnect because the antennas, the Wi-Fi on the antennas that's built into them for management, if you don't use them for 15 minutes, they shut off. So yeah, come on, there we go. But as you can see, internet available, internet available. It is beaming across. This one is connected to this antenna right here, and this one is connected to the one over there. So we have nice connectivity. Everything's all worky. Now all that we have left to do is get a access point hooked up to that antenna, the antenna at my house. I actually have the access point right there, and this is kind of what I was talking about as far as just needing some more tweaking and configuration and, a little fine tuning, because that has to get hooked up. And then I want to tweak it a little bit. I want to have the house that's at the relay point, I'm going to give them internet as well. I want to have them on their separate VLAN. VLANs are virtual LANs, or think of it as like a separate network within a network. I'm going to give them their own VLAN so they can have a little bit of the internet connection. I told them I'd give them 50 megs, so I'm going to divvy off a little bit for them. They're going to have their own side of the network completely separate from ours. And then on the other side of the network, the other VLAN is going to be ours. And that's what this antenna and this access point are going to go to. So just got to get a little bit of fine tuning and tweaking done. All in all though, coming along nicely. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that happy horse shit, because tomorrow it's getting installed. At my buddy's house, where the internet is coming from, he said he wanted an outdoor antenna so he can pick up local TV channels and stream it to his TVs in his house. So I bought that for him. We're going to put it up on the same pole as the antenna, which will actually be the antenna in there, but whatever. And I also got this cool brown box, huh? This is actually, I'll put a picture of it over here for you guys. It is called a non-penetrating antenna mount. That's going to hold both of the antennas at the relay point. It's going to go on the roof of somebody's house next to their solar panels. I didn't want to drill holes and shit in their roof, so I got the non-penetrating kind. So yeah, all that's going to go up either tomorrow or Tuesday. Today's Sunday. So here in the next couple days, it's all coming together. Like, share, subscribe, all the happy horse shit. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.